So attempt as many questions as possible for every subject. Test series are very important because the questions in test series are slightly tougher than the level of GATE. So always attempt a decent amount of test series and analyze the test series nicely.
Hello everyone, I welcome you all on this wonderful platform and it's this wonderful episode of BYJU'S Exam Prep Spotlight, a show where we come up with the toppers of GATE and ESC examination and we ask the question from their journey so that you can learn the lessons from their journey and implement the changes required in yours so that you can also be successful in the minimum possible time. So guys, today we have a special guest with us, Neetesh, who got AIR 21 in GATE 2023 examination. So we will be asking the question on behalf of you guys. So first of all, congratulations Neetesh.
Thank you, sir, and thank you for such a good introduction.
Okay, so Neetesh, I would be asking you the first question as,
Okay.
Please tell something about yourself to our viewers.
Oh, so my name, it is clear. I am Neetesh Raghuwanshi and I have secured AIR 21 in GATE 2023 Mechanical Engineering. I am doing my BTech from NIT Bhopal and I am a final year student in Mechanical Engineering. So in second year, I thought that I should prepare for a GATE examination because my aim was very clear that I want to join PSU. And so in the fourth semester, I decided to start my journey. I started preparing. Then I gave my first attempt of GATE examination in third year. In third year, I got about 600 rank, all India rank 600. So I was very clear that I'm not going to get something very good from this rank. So but at the same time I was motivated that in my first attempt only, and that is too in third year I got 600 rank. So I decided that I will prepare again, work more harder. So I did the same. I work harder, attempt more number of questions, cleared all my big points, and finally I got AIR 21.
Great, Neetesh. I feel now you will get the PSU of your choice.
Of course, sir. Of course, definitely.
So, Neetesh, I would like to ask you, like, as you are from NIT Bhopal,
Yeah.
I also am an alumni of that college, same.
Wow.
So, I know that placements there are very good.
Yeah.
So, why you have not gone for the placements and you thought of PSU?
Sir, this is because, sir, my father is a government teacher.
Okay.
He is serving a government organization.
Okay.
And from my childhood, I have been motivated to work, to serve my country, to serve the government organization, and PSU is one of them. Like ONGC, IOCL or NTPC, these are amazing government organization. Their turnover is brilliant. They are serving our country brilliantly. So it was in my mind that I will go in PSU only.
Great. So, you were very clear, I feel.
Yeah.
So, have you appeared for XC or PI paper also?
No, sir. I was completely clear. I was completely disciplined that I have to go in PSU, then I will attempt only GATE examination so that my focus is not diverted on any other exam.
So, there was no plan B.
No plan B.
Great. So, Neetesh, I would like to ask you one thing, like when you have done it with the college,
Yeah.
Generally it is very difficult for the students to manage
Yeah.
the GATE studies with the college. So, definitely hurdles comes like कभी mid sem है, कभी paper है, कभी company आ रही है, कभी viva है, all things are there. So, how you manage that?
Sir, basically here I got a benefit of COVID.
Okay.
COVID is very bad for others, but it becomes slightly useful for me. I got free time. My college classes were online, so I decided to take the course at the time when my college classes are online because there is not so much work. Exams are held online, all the vivas etc. are held online, so I have plenty of free time. So I decided to start preparation COVID time. So I was free. And also my friend cannot disturb me at the same time. Let's go play cricket. All these things can't be done. So I'm completely free. So I utilized that time, started my journey of GATE preparation, and like that it smoothly go on, and I finally got a good rank.
So you made that problem as an opportunity.
Yeah, I made the problem as an opportunity.
Great, great. So one more thing I would like to ask, like when you have prepared, obviously in the preparation journey, previous year's questions they are definitely becoming very important.
Yeah.
How you feel that? What are the things they are going to give us for the preparation?
Sir, see, subject is very large. You cannot study everything. You know, if you study precisely, then it will be good for you. So the previous year questions give you the sight what to study. What to study means on what topic you have to focus more, and there are a few topics from where questions are not coming, you can neglect them. So this insight is developed by previous year questions. And also, if I talk about GATE 2022, the GATE 2022 mechanical engineering question was slightly tough than previous year question which were available at that
Obviously,
time.
yes.
So you cannot solely focus on previous year. So use previous year to learn about the exam, but practice a slightly tougher question than the previous year.
Great. Obviously, it is a common phenomena that when we comes to 9th class,
Yeah.
for us 8th become very easy
Yeah.
because that we already
Yeah,
passed
yeah,
it.
yeah.
So if you are at certain higher level, obviously advantage is there. So what do you feel is like practice paper are there, like test series?
Yeah.
What kind of role test series plays in your journey?
So I think a test series play the most important role in this journey, because everyone is studying, the content is same. Now what makes the difference is the number of questions you are attempting. What I have done plenty number of questions. From every subject I have done means thousands of questions, I would say, because I have prepared in 3rd year also and 4th year. So in 2 years I have done plenty of questions from each and every subject. So my command on the subject was very good because of the number of questions that I have attempted. About test series, I have given around, if I took topic by subject wise and full syllabus, all the tests, I think I have given 1000 tests because I have means combining the 3rd year and 4th year, because we have topic wise test, we have full syllabus test, we have subject wise test, and multi syllabus test. Combining all these, I have given a quite good amount of tests, and these tests made me confident that I can perform well in exam, because when you give the test and when you see your rank, and then you feel, yeah, if I can get there, means only these students will be giving the exam seriously. If I can do it here, then I can definitely do it here. And so according to me, out of 100%, test series plays a 50% role.
Great. So what do you feel ki whenever we are covering the syllabus, like if exam is in February, till what point we must complete our syllabus?
Sir, I think we should give nearly 2.5 months for revision and practicing. We should have 2 or 2.5 months with us.
This before December,
yeah,
syllabus should be completed. Great. So also I would like to ask you, was there any plan for engineering services, like RIT students are also generally preparing for ESC plus GATE kind of things?
Sir, in the beginning, I thought I will go for ESC, but since the railway was withdrawn, after that I was not happy, and I have completely withdrawn that plan. After that, my complete focus on GATE. I was interested in railways, but since it is gone, then I have to leave ESC.
From the time that railway have been removed from engineering services, students are more oriented towards GATE only, and they have just left many students. Now very few students are there who are very serious about engineering services. Fine. Neetesh, one more thing I would like to ask. Ki, many students I have seen, this year also, previous years also, that they were getting very good marks in test series. 70, 65. But in the examination, final exam, they got 50, 45, like that. And they said, sir, we don't know what happened to us in those 3 hours. And yes, this is a kind of 2020 that if you are not able to perform there for 3 hours, you don't get the second chance until the next year GATE will come. So how do you feel to handle the pressure of those 3 hours and do well in that?
Sir, the same thing happened with me in GATE 2022. I was very nicely prepared in GATE 2022 also, and I was confident that I will get good marks. But when I get to the exam center, and when that test paper came to my screen, I was blacked out. I think I got nervous. I got feared by the examination. I was thinking that what will happen if I will not clear this exam. All these thoughts which are coming in my mind, they are making me nervous. So the best thing is, stay cool, stay calm. Don't think about the future. Think about the journey, that 1 year journey that about the number of questions that you have done, the number of times you have revised the subject. Stay confident. If you think about the future, definitely you will get tensed, you will get feared, and you will get blacked out. You will do silly mistakes. In GATE, silly mistakes are death. They are like death. Means 2 marks question. If you are in GATE 2023, there was a question. Its answer is 4. I have taken -4. It was a 2 marks question. My 2 marks are gone. If I would have done that correct, I would have got under 10 or under 20. Okay, so these silly mistakes are very brutal. Don't do silly mistakes. I have worked very hard on avoiding my silly mistake, writing again and again that don't do this. I used to read question carefully. I have notes. in these notes, I talk to myself through these notes. Neetesh, please read the question carefully. Please read the units of the question. So if you do this, then at the time of exam, you will remember that I have done all this. I have prepared very nicely. And you will not get feared. You will be confident, and you can definitely achieve what you want.
Okay. So, Neetesh, one more thing I would like to ask. Like you have given a wonderful example that you used to write all those things.
Yeah.
So, there is one more thing, that is short notes.
Yeah.
Have you made the short notes, or you just revise all the time from the class notes only?
Sir, I don't know whether someone will agree with me or not, but I don't believe in short note.
Actually, I would like to say the same thing. Actually, I remember when I was teaching in offline classes, one of my student, he also got AIR 4 at that time.
Okay.
So once he came to me, actually I took him, many subjects I took for him. So one subject was taken by some other faculty, and he just said that you need to make the short notes and all. So then he came to me and he showed me, sir, I have made this and this. Shall I continue with this? I say, whatever you feel better. I will not say ki without short notes you cannot make this and all. And then after 2 days he left that.
Okay.
And he got AIR 4. And then he got, sir, yes, I can understand that it is not a compulsory thing for us. So the same thing I always say to the student, that it depends on your interest. There are many students who used to write the things again and again in the past, like when they prepare for IIT and all. So if you are habitual to that, you can go for it. Otherwise, it depends on person to person. So that's why I asked this question to everyone.
Sir, what I feel, for me, I feel that if I make short notes and when I revise them, it will always hit my mind that I am leaving something. I should go on my notes and revise completely.
Yes.
Because when you are focused, you can't leave anything. It always comes in your mind. Should I have I read everything? See, these are short notes. Have I missed something? What if this comes in my exam? So these thoughts strike again and again, and you cannot focus on. I cannot focus on my short notes.
It depends totally on students.
Yeah, it depends totally on students.
I will say still 70% students agrees with short notes, 30% do not. And even when you are going to revise again and again the class notes, they are making already, you can say, an image in your mind, and they will help you as a short notes. I feel so. They become itself short.
They become short, Okay,
yes. So Neetesh, one more thing I would like to ask you, like you have prepared for like second year or third year also, final year also. So definitely you have learnt a lot from your own mistakes also. So if any tips you want to give to the students who are aspirant and they are going to give the exam next year or after that. So any tips you want to give?
Okay, so the most important tip is attempt as many questions as possible. In my first attempt, I did not attempt this much number of questions for every subject. So attempt as many questions as possible for every subject, whether it is TOM, SOMs are very slightly tough subjects, so attempt more number of questions for them. Then thermodynamics, power plant. For all these subjects, attempt decent amount of question. Second thing, test series. Test series are very important because the questions in test series are slightly tougher than the level of GATE. And now from GATE 2022, from my experience of GATE 2022, I can say that GATE exam can be very tough. So always attempt a decent amount of test series and analyze the test series nicely. What students do, they attempt the test, they see their rank, they do not analyze it. And if they analyze, they only see what I have done wrong. Means, oh, I have done this wrong. Okay, from next time I will not do this. Don't do that. It will go from your mind. If you have done it first time and you will not focus on that, definitely you will do it second times. At that time, you may feel that I will rectify my mistake, but second time subconsciously you will again do it. You will do it third time, and then you will tell yourself why I'm doing it again and again. Instead of this, just give some time to your mistakes. Write them. Write the formula. If the formula is wrong, because there are many types of mistakes. Sometimes you forget the formula. Sometimes you do the unit mistake. Sometimes you haven't read the question carefully. So see what type of mistakes you are doing frequently. Categorize your mistakes, whether it is a unit mistake, whether it is a conceptual mistake, whether it is a silly mistake. If you categorize your mistakes, then it will be easier to rectify them.
So at the end, I would like to ask you how BYJU'S exam prep can help an aspirant who is preparing for GATE or ESC exam.
Sir, BYJU'S exam prep. BYJU'S exam prep conduct live classes for GATE exam, and also these classes are available after the live session is ended, so you can watch whenever you want. Also, BYJU'S exam prep provide test series for GATE, and even they provide test series for HPCL and other GATE related exams, other competitive exams. You can utilize their test series, their content to prepare for your exams.
So all the best for the future.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yes. So guys, I feel from journey of Neetesh, you have learnt a lot. And if you see in the before whatever the episodes have done, many students, they were in the jobs also. There were some students who have taken drop also. Some are from IIT, some are from government engineering college, some are from private engineering college. And like Neetesh have done it with the studies in the final year. So you can see nothing is impossible. That all the game is related to the dedication, determination. If you have that, whether you are in job, third year, final year, or you are making drop, that doesn't make any changes if you have that. So guys, we will be coming up with such more journeys in the upcoming episodes of BYJU'S Exam Prep Spotlight. So stay tuned with us, and if you want any question to be asked from your end, you can write that in the comment section also. So stay tuned.